Hello guys, welcome to our Unique Data YouTube channel.
This video is comparison between Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic Oceans. Largest island: Pacific, Australia. Atlantic, Greenland. Indian, Madagascar. Arctic, Greenland. Largest covered country: Pacific, Australia. Atlantic, Canada. Indian, India. Arctic, Russia. Most populated covered country: Pacific, United States. Atlantic, Brazil. Indian, India. Arctic, Russia. Smallest marginal seas: Pacific, Sea of Okhotsk. Atlantic, Baltic Sea. Indian, Red Sea. Arctic, Kara Sea. Coastline: Pacific, Canada. Atlantic, Canada. Indian, Australia. Arctic, Russia. Nuclear waste: Pacific, Marshall Islands. Atlantic, UK. Indian, India. Arctic, Russia. Environmental issues: Pacific, plastic pollution in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Atlantic, overfishing and oil spills. Indian, coral reef destruction. Arctic, melting ice and loss of habitat for polar animals. Surface area: Pacific, 63,800,000 square miles, 165,250,000 square kilometers. Atlantic, 41,100,000 square miles, 106,400,000 square kilometers. Indian, 28,400,000 square miles, 73,556,000 square kilometers. Arctic, 5,427,000 square miles, 14,056,000 square kilometers. Average depth: Pacific, 12,080 feet, 3,682 meters. Atlantic, 10,924 feet, 3,330 meters. Indian, 12,742 feet, 3,884 meters. Arctic, 3,953 feet, 1,205 meters. Maximum depth: Pacific, Mariana Trench, 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. Atlantic, Puerto Rico Trench, 28,232 feet, 8,605 meters. Indian, Java Trench, 24,460 feet, 7,455 meters. Arctic, Eurasian Basin, 17,881 feet, 5,450 meters. Water volume: Pacific, 168,723,000 cubic miles, 700,155,000 CUKM. Atlantic, 106,460,000 cubic miles, 444,309,000 CUKM. Indian, 25,344,000 cubic miles, 105,923,000 CUKM. Arctic, 5,427,000 cubic miles, 22,678,000 CUKM. Earth's surface cover percentage: Pacific, 46%. Atlantic, 23%. Indian, 20%. Arctic, 5.4%. Born ocean: Pacific, oldest and largest, formed 750 million years ago. Atlantic, second youngest, formed about 150 million years ago. Indian, youngest, formed about 70 million years ago. Arctic, formed by the spreading of the Eurasian and North American plates. Deepest point: Pacific, Mariana Trench, 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. Atlantic, Puerto Rico Trench, 28,232 feet, 8,605 meters. Indian, Java Trench, 24,460 feet, 7,455 meters. Arctic, Eurasian Basin, 17,881 feet, 5,450 meters. Deepest place name: Pacific, Challenger Deep, Mariana Trench. Atlantic, Milwaukee Deep, Puerto Rico Trench. Indian, Sunda Trench, Java Trench. Arctic, Malloy Deep, Eurasian Basin. Area rank: Pacific, largest. Atlantic, second largest. Indian, third largest. Arctic, smallest. Islands: Pacific, thousands of islands including Hawaii, Fiji, and the Galapagos Islands. Atlantic, the Caribbean islands, the Azores, and Cape Verde. Indian, the Maldives, Sri Lanka, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Arctic, few inhabited islands, including Svalbard and Franz Josef Land.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.